I got some new additions to the Explorer backpack line from Gigaparts. This is the Explorer backpack, and I'll link a video up in here somewhere about the first video I did with the Explorer backpack when it was brand new. They've added stuff to it. We're gonna take a look at that right now. Okay, these Explorer bags are really nice. They took some information from us at the Huntsville Hamfest of 2022 and also again at 2023 and took some suggestions that several YouTubers, including myself, made. And now most of these are available, but I do have 2 prototypes as well. So stick around. I'm going to show you about 5 or 6 different bags that go inside the Explorer backpack. It's going to be a cool thing to see. So this is the backpack here. And again, this is the same backpack that it was. They have these patches now, which is kind of cool. Explorer patch. I'm all about these patches right here. I've got 2 or 3 Ham Radio 2.0 patches. So if anyone has a Velcro patch like that, let me know, because those are cool. All right, so that's the Explorer bag. We've talked about that before. This is the addition to it. Open this up here. I put this together a little bit and show you a few more things here. Okay, so this is all just put together without radios in it. There's a radio right here. So I just kind of fit all these in here the way they sit. Obviously, you probably are not going to have more than 1, maybe 2 radios in here, but that is what it is. This right here is the bag for the 991A. So they have a specific bag for the 991A. You can adjust the bottom and the top. There's the Velcro there, and you can put it anywhere up and down. This Velcro piece here is about half the height of this, so I can put it down here at the bottom, or I can put it at the top, something like that. And then this fits in like that. You put that over the top of your 991A. You can have your microphone sticking out the top there if you want to, but that's the 991A case. I don't own a 991, so I can't put that in there, but that's what that is. This one right here is actually, this case is made for an 818. That's what that one is for. And I put my 578, D578 from Anytone in there, because it's about the same size as the Yaesu FT-818. The Tech Prepper bag that I have will fit both this radio and the 817 and 818 form factor. So that's there. Velcro on the back of that, of course, so that you can stick that down. And then got the power cable coming out the back, microphone coming out the top. Can do whatever you want to with that. This right here is for the 891. So we can, same kind of thing. Flap on the bottom that's adjustable. This piece of the Velcro is half the height of this, so you can adjust it up and down if you want to, like that, and have small openings in the top for microphones, digi-rig cables, power cables, whatever you want, however you want to configure that. This is the 7300 bag right here. That's the 7300 bag. You can put your 7300 in here, and it fits in here great. In fact, Mike, K8MRD, he puts his 7300, he just sets it on top of everything else that's in his bag right there, and it works fine. So he carries his 7300, and now he'll have an actual protective sheath for it to go around. But that, I'm probably gonna put my 7300 in here and try to, I don't know. This backpack right here, this Explorer backpack, is the second one they gave me. So I got some reconfiguring to do from my first one. I told them they need to make it in another color so that people could buy multiples and have them easy to tell each other apart, but they haven't done that yet, hopefully in the future. But there's that right there, 7300 bag. And then this one's not available yet. Everything I've showed you so far is available yet. And I will share a link below where you can save a 5% discount on all of these bags with the coupon code of KC5HWB at the link to my Gigaparts page. So go check that out. Link is in the description of this video. This is a new 705 bag. Okay, so this bag is a little bit wider this direction and longer this direction, and this bag will accommodate a 705 with the Peovi or the WinCamp cage on it. They specifically made this bag longer for that purpose. It's got ports here on the side where you can run a microphone out or a USB cable to connect to a computer, or pretty much any cable you want to, something to a tuner maybe. Both sides have that little port on the back. This sticks inside of the Explorer backpack, or I guess any other backpack that has Velcro in it. And then you can use your 705 this way, and it will, in fact, I'm gonna probably go get my Peovi cage, put it back on my 705, and do some tinkering around with this bag configuration. But I wanted to show this to you, what it looked like without the radio in it first. There's that. And then this might be, they also have a prototype for a Heil headset, which they did not send me. So this guy right here is a prototype that hopefully will be available by Dayton Hamvention of 2024. So just a few months from now, this should be available, along with a prototype bag that will hold your Heil headset, which is something that I need because I have a Heil Pro 7 I like to take with me on my POTA trips, and I just have it in like a regular bag right now. But this might be the coolest part right here. So when this bag first came out, this Explorer backpack first came out, everyone was like, hey, it needs to have a laptop sleeve. You can put your laptop in here and put your radio's Velcro on top of it. And we were told that basically the laptop, adding a laptop sleeve, a built-in laptop sleeve to this bag would almost double the price of the bag. For whatever reason, the manufacturer just doesn't like laptop sleeves, I guess. I don't know what the deal is with that. But this is a laptop sleeve, and it's got Velcro on the back and on the front. So you just put it in the back of your bag there, and then put your radio right on top of it. So if I wanted to run my 578 here, put that there, and then I could put my 705 right there, and then you'd have both of those attached and put the laptop inside down here, 2 radios folded up like that, put some coax and antenna options into these zipper pouches it comes with. This place right here is pretty good to hold, like I keep my Rig Expert Stick Pro inside of one of those toothbrush holders for travel case, and it fits inside of these loops pretty well. So in my original Explorer backpack, that's what's there. And of course these are adjustable as well, so you can move those back and forth. In fact, you could put them elsewhere if you wanted to. You want to put something else in there. Put those on the outside, put them down here on the inside, on top of the laptop sleeve if you want to, whatever. So that is the current additions to the Explorer backpack. Now, what I told you a minute ago was that you can save 5% with the discount code of KC5HWB on all this stuff. I will put a link in the description below. But also remember that today's video is sponsored by Mezzi and Peovi Coax, where you can save 10% with the code of HR2 cables. I've got 2 separate pages on the Gigaparts website. One of them is a 5% off page, and one of them is a 10% off page. And these Explorer items are on the 10% off page. The Explorer radio, the Explorer batteries, the Explorer masts, carbon fiber and fiberglass masts. The entire line of Explorer products is on my page on the Gigaparts website, and you can save 5% on all that. But Mezzi and Peovi stuff, you can save 10% with the code of HR2 cables. Both of those links will be in the description below. So I've been asked about if they're gonna make a bag. Icom just re-released the IC-718. It takes so long to get these bags through prototype into production. I don't know if that radio is going to be around long enough. They re-released it, but how long will it be in production before they discontinue it again? They've done that on a couple of radios. They did that on the 7200 a while back. They're doing it on the 7100 now. I don't know. Some other radios I would like to see, of course, the 891 is the most obvious. 891 and the 7300 is the most obvious choice. People have been asking about the FT-810, which would be even a little bit bigger, and then the brand new FT-710 from Yaesu. I suspect we'll see a bag for the 710 before too long. But do remember that this 705 bag here is different from the original 705 bag because it's larger and made for a carrying case. So that is all brand new stuff from the Explorer line in their bag, the Explorer bags at gigaparts.com. Once again, check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching today.